Greetings! Greetings! Chris Feola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. Today we're going to try to start to make some real progress with these marketing materials that we've been working on for Feola Factory. We've been up to this point playing around with different versions of AIs to generate steampunk speed graphic cameras and to try different results to see what we got. But I've shopped this around a little bit to folks I trust, and everyone seems to agree that this is the best of the cameras that we generated. So we're going to go ahead and work on developing this one now. So let's go over here and grab the polygonal lasso tool in Photoshop. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a brass nameplate right onto the front here. Now you'll notice that once we draw the polygon, that this toolbar springs up with Generative Fill here. And so we can now tell it antique brass nameplate and click generate. And it will generate just in the area that we've selected. Now I've been thinking lately, again, I've got a couple generations old Ryzen 7 with 8 processors in here and 16 gigs of RAM, and these AI tools definitely slow it down. Machine's a few years old, and it certainly is fast enough for everything else. Now it did change the size here, which is kind of interesting, but let's see what that's better. The only problem here is it's added a name in there, which we really don't need. So let's see if putting blank on here, get rid of that so we can the one thing that I've noticed here is, again and again and again, actually I've beat this ad infinitum, is do not put words in there. I tried this a couple times when I was testing a few things out where I put Feola Factory in there, and you think it would be able to transfer words from the prompt onto the screen, but just no. That's not bad, but it's not blank, so oh, that's interesting. And the third one is it's blank because it's not there. That's all right. I'm going to try one more thing here. I'm going to replace the word blank with no lettering. I do find that much of your time spent with these AIs is trying to trick them into doing what you need them to do. So again, this machine is fast enough for everything I do, except the AI does noticeably take some time with it. So well, I guess we're just going to no lettering is still lettering. But I think I can work. There's a couple of these that certainly I can work with. So really like that. But I wonder if I could fit Feola Factory in there. So I think I will spend some time doctoring this up and see what I could do. So there we are. We're exactly at 5 minutes. So I hope you have a great week, and I hope this has proved useful to you. Feola out.